Welcome to this stunning Queenslander, but what you're going to love is what the owners love. It's the Sunday lunches out on the deck with family and friends. It's the privacy of your master bedroom with the ocean breezes. This is Bervon. Go check it out.